Residential service cut or restore procedure. The purpose is to establish a safe and standardized procedure for cutting and restoring residential electrical service. This procedure applies to all authorized personnel responsible for performing residential service cuts and restores. Hot power lines are live electrical conductors carrying a dangerous voltage. Lockout or tagout, abbreviated LOTO, is a safety system used to prevent accidental operation of equipment. Personal protective equipment, abbreviated PPE, is safety gear worn to protect against electrical hazards such as gloves, sleeves, glasses, and a hard hat. Here are some safety precautions. Always assume hot power lines are live. Always wear appropriate PPE at all times. Only use properly inspected and tested tools. Secure the work area by installing barricades or warning signs. Never work alone when cutting or splicing hot power lines. Here's the procedure. Section A. Cut. Step 1. Notify the customer and confirm the service cut location. Step 2. Gather necessary tools and PPE. Step 3. Lock out and tag out the main breaker or disconnect switch. Step 4. Ground the incoming service lines. Step 5. Use insulated cutters or a hot stick to cut the service wires. Step 6. Install a temporary disconnect device, for example a load box. Step 7. Inform the customer that the service has been cut. Section B. Restore. Step 1. Notify the customer and confirm the service restore location. Step 2. Remove the temporary disconnect device and splice the service wires together. Step 3. Insulate and protect the splice using approved materials. Step 4. Reactivate the main breaker or disconnect switch. Step 5. Inspect the restored service lines for any damage or loose connections. Step 6. Inform the customer that the service has been restored. Section C. Safety considerations. Ground the service lines using a grounding rod or metal water pipe. Use insulated tools to prevent accidental contact with live conductors. Keep a safe distance from overhead power lines. Use a voltage tester to verify that the service lines are de-energized before working. Follow all local building and electrical codes. Section D. Documentation. Record the date, time, location, and details of the service cut or restore. Obtain a signature from the customer confirming the work has been completed satisfactorily. Section E. Training and certification. All personnel performing service cuts and restores must be trained and certified by a qualified instructor. Training must include hands-on experience and cover safety precautions, proper techniques, and emergency procedures. Section F. Emergency procedures. In case of an electrical accident, immediately call for emergency assistance. Do not attempt to rescue anyone from live wires. Do not touch the victim if they are in contact with live wires. Use a non-conductive object to separate the victim from the power source. Additional resources include the National Electrical Code, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and the Utility Safety Association of Canada. Please note that this procedure is a general guideline and may need to be modified to meet specific local requirements and circumstances. It is essential to consult with qualified electrical professionals for guidance and to ensure compliance with all applicable safety regulations.